To check the quartile rank of journals on SIMAGO Journal and Country Rank, SJR, follow these steps. Step 1. Go to the SCIMAGO website, https://www.scimagojr.com. Step 2. In the search bar, enter the journal name or relevant keywords. Step 3. Select the journal from the search results. Step 4. On the journals page, you'll see various metrics, including 1. SJR indicator, SCIMAGO journal rank. The SJR is a metric that reflects the scientific impact of a journal. It takes into account not only the number of citations that a journal's articles receive, but also the prestige or importance of the journals where such citations come from. Journals with a higher SJR score are considered more influential because they are cited by other highly ranked or prestigious journals. Formula: the calculation gives more weight to citations from journals with a high SJR score, thus distinguishing between citations of differing quality. 2. Citations per document. This metric measures the average number of citations received per article published in the journal. It's a way to assess the impact of individual articles within the journal. A higher value indicates that, on average, articles in that journal are frequently cited. Formula: total citations to articles in a period / number of articles published in the same period. 3. H-index. The H-index is an author-level metric but can also apply to journals. It attempts to measure both the productivity and impact of a journal based on its article citations. A journal has an H-index of X if it has X papers that have each been cited at least X times. Example: a journal with an H-index of 40 means it has published 40 papers that have been cited at least 40 times each. The H-index reflects a balance between quantity, number of papers, and quality, citations, so a high H-index indicates both prolific and well-cited research. 4. Quartile, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Quartiles divide the journals in a specific field into 4 groups based on their SJR score. They help rank journals within their subject areas. The quartile system looks like this: Q1, top 25% of journals in the field. Q2, between 25% and 50%. Q3, between 50% and 75%. Q4, bottom 25%. Journals in Q1 are considered the most prestigious, while those in Q4 are less influential within their field. In summary of various metrics in SIMAGO Journal, SJR indicator evaluates the influence and prestige of a journal. Citations per document measures the average impact of the articles published. H-index reflects the journal's consistency in producing highly cited work. Quartile ranks journals relative to others in the same discipline. Here are the steps to check the SINTA score of an Indonesian journal. Step 1. Go to the SINTA website, visit the official SINTA platform from your browser. Step 2. Navigate to the Journals section. From the home page, click on the Journals tab located at the top of the page. Step 3. Search for the journal. Use the search bar and enter the journal's name or relevant keywords. You can also filter by discipline or accreditation status using the filters provided. Step 4. View the journal's SINTA score. Once you find the journal, its SINTA score will be displayed along with details like citations, ranking, S1, S6, and other metrics. Step 5. Detailed information. You can click on the journal's name to see more detailed metrics such as the 3-year SINTA score, the number of citations, and other performance indicators.